We're just about at the construction site, and then we'll start filming more videos. I'm just walking right now to the construction site. Right now, once we get there, we will start filming like I said and say hi to everybody. Feels like rain out. I hope it doesn't rain. Because if it rains, that will suck. That means we have a couple $100 of camera equipment out here today, like we do usually. But right now, as we're on our way there, we're also doing some other stuff at the construction site today, like going to see how big the new trench is. Right now, as we're going to the construction site, we're pulling a wagon behind me with some stuff we're going to use at the site, at the construction site today. Right now we are lifting something up into the hole. What is that, Cole? He was talking to his boss and didn't hear what I said, so we never got a response back. There's the valve going into the trench, I think. It's supposed to be anyway.
Here, Justin.
Wowzers, we're waiting for them in the hole to put down the valve because they're not quite ready for the valve in the trench there yet. We're putting the valve now in the trench.
Want a couple bricks, Corey?
How can you catch those? Those are so heavy. How can you catch those? Those are so heavy. That's what I thought anyway. Cool. How can you catch those bricks? They're so heavy.
Good at it. Strong.
No. Can you catch them? Can you catch them? We're using the stakes from the ground in the trench for now, I think. I don't know if it's temporary or if it's permanent. Might be permanent from what it looks like. Here comes a dump truck right now. We're getting ready to move our stuff, I think, down the street. A little bit down there. But I'm not 100% sure yet. So right now, we are, I think, doing a little bit of digging right now is Corey. In the trenches. The excavator moved over here because they're digging across the street. We are packing things now in the trench. We are packing things now in the trench. Yes, we are. How he can move that with his foot is amazing. Right, you're good?
Yep.
What are you doing down there?
Look up the water.
Why don't you cut out the old gas line?
What's that?
Why don't you cut out the old gas line?
Wasn't in the way this time.
Huh?
Wasn't in the way this time.
What is that? Why is the wire down there?
Tracer wire.
Huh?
Tracer wire.
Tracer?
Tracer wire.
What's it do?
Why is it down there? So they can trace it. Guess what? How do you do that? Hook up something to the other end? Or is that, I don't know. That's how I would do it. I think a metal detector or something. So,
Yeah?
I think so. Tracer wire that comes up the hydrants. Or like the slack, it's all connected. Basically, you can hook on there, find the main, and that got no charge in. I think it's useful, Jeff.
Huh?
I think it's useful.
Then why have it? Right now we are just putting some dirt in the dump truck as well as doing some stuff down in the trenches. Why you knocking stuff over, Jason?
That way?
So why you knocking stuff over?
Nothing that's not set up yet. Nothing's being knocked over yet.
Here goes another dump truck leaving the site once again. They don't leave fast enough, I don't think. What is he doing down here? Jason's doing something in the trench.
Doing something.
How many things are you gonna fuck up down there?
Huh?
Just kidding.
This is what we're supposed to be doing.
Oh.
We don't fuck anything up here.
Okay, sorry.
That's okay. Everything we do is for a reason, for a purpose.
Not to frick up?
Yeah, there is no fuck up. Sometimes we don't know why, but we just do it.
That's cool. He's cutting some. Is that what that is?
It is, buddy.
Finally, got it right.
You got it.
And I don't know where he's putting it.
Bend over, I'll show you. I got to use it.
Why do some of the big O's down the street have cement in them?
That is why we are putting it in here.
To put cement in them?
Correct.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Then what's the point of using them?
To put cement in them.
And what happens then? No, but the big O has cement in it. Is that so? What? What does it do? Really?
Yes.
Like, is there a reason why we do that though?
Because we're not using those pipes anymore. These are abandoned storm sewers. Back right in the pocket.
Wowzers!
Yee-hoo! Daddy bike.
Is that the shut-off valve for the house?
Yes, sir. Yeah!
That's cool. That's the shut-off valve for everybody's houses.
I did that for my sister and brother-in-law.
Really? Why?
He did that to his sister and brother-in-law as a joke.
These guys are working hard in the trenches. They're putting these pipes in to put cement in them because they're the old pipe. We are tightening the bolts on the pipe. Right now we are putting some pipes in the hole and cutting some more pipe. making it so the edges aren't sharp. Paul just went down the street.
Want water?
Sure. Please. We're scraping up the ground a bit more to put in the next water main.